How to add size chart to Shopify. That's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. And so at the beginning, you need to go and open the browser. And from here, you have to go to Google. And then you go to your store on Shopify. And whenever you want to Shopify, you just need to log in with your account. And now you can open your store on Shopify. And so from here, you like to go to click on online store and choose, as you can see, we have blog posts, pages, and so on. So we click on pages. And here up the right corner, we click on add a page. In here you can put the title. So for example, I can say size chart for product, and then I choose number 1, for example. And from here I click on these 3 points to insert a table. But this is the easy method that I can do. And also there's another one which is much easier. I can go back to the home page and then I click on online store. And from here I want to go to themes and I click on customize. And as you can see here, I just go down a little bit and I got this product and I click on it. Double click, and here I have multiple templates. So I would go to add block, and now I would like to choose custom liquid. Okay, so now I'll go to ChatGPT and write create a custom HTML code for my size chart and my product in Shopify, and I click the here and I copy the code and back to my store, and I go to custom liquid once again over here. And the thing we'd like to do, which is I'm gonna paste the code here. If I go down, as you can see, I got this size chart over here. So at the end, that was all today's video. If you found it very helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.